Hello everyone. So my plan for today is to remake these envelopes for the different journals that we have been making. So I figure we'll use some of these to create with it. Yeah, I'm kind of trying to get back in to the wing of things. It's been a rough week this week, a lot of drama. There was stuff going on with my grandma, so I had to take care of that. And then there was a fire at my apartment building yesterday that was rather dramatic. That took quite a few hours to take care of. And so we're safe. Nothing bad happened to us or anything else. It just so happened that it was just a lot of mixed stuff happening at once. I think I'm going to keep that glue looking piece on there. But I do love this neutral colors on these papers, just because you never know what you're gonna be making sometimes. But my plan is with these, after we decorate them and collage over them and all that jazz, is to eventually make some journaling, or not journaling, but these are going to be like over the pop or over the page type pieces. Yeah. So I've been watching that docu-series about Victoria's Secret. After watching the Victoria's Secret video on social media, there's been this music video that's been out from Jax, and it's pretty good. Again, I am obsessed with this little video, and I don't know why, but it's just very interesting. You know what? This piece would look good. It's right on there. Oh, they would fit. Well, that one I'm going to save for a different one. Journal. We have that. That piece. So again, I'm just fiddling around here, grabbing some pieces that I think would be kind of cute on that side. Then this side, that. And then I have this piece here that would go behind. So again, I'm just kind of decorating. This will go in our one of them small plain journals that I had made. And that's okay if this is backwards, because yeah, who cares? But again, I wanted to do this for all them journals. Just a cute little thing that I'll show you in a little bit what my plan is as soon as we're done with this, because we can just put it right in. Why not? I'm just gonna make this a little bit smaller. Someone's calling me and I'm ignoring it, at least until this video is done. But I have 4 current journals that are in the midst of being worked on, and I kind of want to finish them up because I have plans for the rest of these, or for some new journals, so I kind of just want to finish them up. So again, very easy little idea. If you go to the bank and you get these envelopes, or again, Walgreens, places like that. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to place it into a journal. So I'm going to pull out our plain, well, our basic journals here. Now this could easily get tucked into a pocket too, but I wanted to show you my plan with this anyways, is to take it, put it over the top of it. Now you could easily use paper clip to hold it still, but honestly these are so plain, it'll be fine by itself inside this little journal. So there we go, we got one extra thing in that journal, and again, it's just a nice little idea for it. And that's basically my plan for the rest of my journals. Is I have 3 more to make. Not a problem. Try to keep them as neutral as possible. For the Belle journal, I'm going to try using up my clusters and ephemera and stuff from the that are over here. I made a bunch of clusters when I was doing my scrapbooking paper bits that I had left. And then I have for the magazine too. that I want to work with, I'm going to use this old magazine to create this old magazine page to create that one. I think that would be pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye.